Alright, let's take a look at some knife storage. This is just an 1170 Pelican case, but I found out it works very well to store Hogue knives. So you can see these pouches fit in here pretty good. I've got a few more in order that haven't arrived, so once I get those in, I'll see how well this fits. Usually I throw a big pack in there as well, so a big silicone dry pack, even though each pouch has one, but that fits pretty well. I like it. I've also got an 1170 with the nail pack inserts for some nicer stuff, but this works pretty good. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we got here though. Let's pull these bad boys out and set this off to the side. So let's start right here. So a G10 EX01 button lock 3.5 inch. Set that there. Then we've got another one. This was on sale, or at least a misprice. So I went ahead and got a